All right, today we're going to introduce our last form of linear equations, and we call this form standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So both our x and y term have to be on the same side of the equal sign, and the x term normally goes first. Now, standard form has a couple of rules. A, b, and c are integers, aka they can't be fractions. Okay. A also can't be negative. So let's go ahead and convert our slope-intercept form into standard form. So if we wanted to move this into standard, we need to move the negative 3x to the other side. So we are just going to add 3x. So we're just moving stuff around, and we've done that before. So we have positive 3x, positive y equals 4. Now if we wanted to check this on Desmos, we would type both in to graph, and when we do that, we should get the exact same line. So go ahead and type in y equals negative 3x plus 4, and type in your standard form equation, 3x plus y equals 4. Since both lines laid on top of each other, then we know that we are correct because it shouldn't change. So let's go ahead and look at problem 2. Same idea, we need to move our negative 5x to the other side. So we're going to add it. That gets us 5x plus y equals negative 30. X and y are on the same side. Everything is integers. X is also positive. Example 3, now we are moving positive 5x, so we have to subtract it. So we have negative 5x plus y equals negative 5. Now in this situation, the coefficient in front of x is negative, and we can't have a negative. No negative. So we are going to multiply this whole equation by a negative 1. So all that does is change our signs. So our negative 5x becomes positive 5x, positive y becomes negative y, and then negative 5 becomes a positive 5. Now this is in the correct form while following all of our rules. So let's look at number 4. We need to move our 3x, so we are going to subtract 3x to the other side. So we have negative 3x plus y equals 6. Same issue, we can't have the negative in front of our x term, so we are going to multiply the whole equation by a negative 1. Once we do that, we will get a positive 3x, a negative y, and a negative 6. And that's it. All right, our last here. Now we have to remove a fraction and a negative, possibly. So let's look at number 5. We need to move our negative 1/2 x. So we are going to add 1/2 x to the other side. So we have 1/2 x plus y equals 7. Now we can't have the fraction, so you are going to multiply the whole equation by the number that's in the denominator. So 2. 2 times 1/2 is just 1x. 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 7 is 14. And that's it. Example 6, we need to move 2/3 to the other side, so minus 2/3 x. So I have negative 2/3 x plus y equals negative 4. So this one has the negative and the fraction. So again, we're going to multiply the whole equation. To get rid of the negative, we multiply by a negative. And to get rid of the fraction, you multiply by the number in the denominator. So negative 3. -3 times -2/3. You could always do that on a calculator if we're not sure. So -3 times -2/3, and we get positive 2x. -3 times y is -3y, and -3 times -4 is positive 12. And that's it. Okay? So go ahead and complete the quiz's assignment for today, and insert a screenshot below of your score. You get the score that you get, so make sure you continue trying until you are happy with your score.